Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Our Shack and other things. Tonight I'm going to be doing a collaboration video with Scott over at In for the Grill. We decided we were going to do a barbecue chicken collaboration, and we reached out to a sauce and spice company called Code3Spice, and they jumped on board with us, sent us their product, and I really want to thank them and look forward to using it. So I'm going to be using their Rescue Rub, all-purpose spice rub. I've already put it on my chicken, and then once they're done, I'm going to come back and hit it with Patriot barbecue sauce. I'm going to have a link down below for Code3Spices.
Hey, what's up, Lewis? Thanks for asking. Today we're using the Code3Spice 5.0 rub. We got the Patriot sauce, so we're gonna season some wings up with these bad boys. We're gonna glaze them up with this after. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to get into these wings.
So go check out Code3Spices. They're a great American company. Part of their profits go right to our service industry, as in like firemen, the police, first responders, and our military. So go check them out. Also, how I'm going to be doing this tonight will be on this right here. This is the red limited edition Weber kettle. First time going to be cooking on it. What we're going to be using is Kingsford original, and then also coming back with some B&B lump. I will be using a vortex, and I'll show you that here in just a moment.
Hey, what's up, Lewis, my brother? Today I'm rocking out the Dynaglow. I got the Code3Spices sticker on there. I got my new temperature gauge. Yeah, be rocking. Not sure if I'll need the temp for the wings. I'm just gonna go by feel. And I got a little bit, what are we running here? Some pecan for the chicken. Boom. What are you cooking on, brother?
Okay, here she is. So if you look in there, you can see I have my vortex bowl set up, and I've also wrapped the bottom grate so all the airflow should be coming right through the center of that vortex. I have some coal down in there, and I'll be adding my warm lit coals here in just a few minutes, and we'll get started.
What's up, Lewis? We're just about to get that sauce on right now. We're getting saucy too also. Miller time. Cheers, brother. I'm gonna get this Patriot sauce. I'm gonna get some rush action happening. Get them wings fixed up. Cheers, my man.
Oh yeah, it's time to start saucing. Cheers. Okay, so we brought the chicken off of the grill, and I want to thank Code3 Spices for participating in our collaboration with the sauces that they sent us. I want to thank Scott for suggesting that we do this. So let's get in here and taste this. Wow. Sorry, that's perfect. So, been really good. The all-purpose rub, I can definitely taste a sweetness in there to that spice. Cheers. And then you come back with the Patriot sauce. Now it's spicy, so it's got a pretty good little kick to it. But the flavor, oh man, it is so good. I'm gonna eat all these myself. Wow, that is so good. I recommend that you go and check these guys out and order this stuff, because I tell you, it is spot on. Thank you, Mike, there at Code3 Spices. I can't say it enough. So good. Cheers, everybody. Can't wait to see what Scott's wings look like. Go check him out. I'll have a link down there to his video on the collab. And of course, there'll be a link to Code3 Spices too. So enjoy it.